Yeah, cross is better. Cross is better. Yeah.
My theater skills has been like on the down low for the longest time ever, so I need to get it back. So hi guys, right now I'm currently in Polak. I kind of have to be a little bit quiet because there are obviously people who are studying in here, but today I will be joining the WILDe Theatre because they are having their first ever workshop, which is gonna be like improvisation theater and everything. So we're gonna see, like, I'm pretty experienced with theater, so we're gonna see how hard it's gonna be for me. Let's check it out together and see how hard can it actually be.
We're at the kickoff of our year with our theatre association. So we're going to do our first workshop at improvisation and scene building, depending on what's also more in the mood for the participants. But yeah, that's the idea.
So how many times do you guys do this kind of workshop per week or like per month usually?
Yeah, we're planning to have one every month, always first Thursday of the month. And then we also do some social activities every third Thursday. So like they're switching up each other.
So what is like the biggest project for WILDe in the future right now?
Well, that's going right now. We already have a murder mystery play that we want to host by November, which will be super cool. But we host like 2-3 big plays every year. So those are maybe our biggest events. 1, 2, yeah, there you go. Melissa.
This is cool, guys. Come on.
Julia. Sorry, but I use it as a brush. What you do, whenever you recognize it, you're like brush, and you hear it. Oh yeah, brush, yeah, perfect. I go out, and then another person goes in, and they do. I don't know. Like,
So we're playing
yeah,
a game where we kind of have to
let me get the time.
act out like a certain. So basically, that cup is not really a cup, and we're gonna act it out.
10, 9.
Yeah, that was actually pretty challenging because I'm pretty good at guessing, but I'm not pretty good at acting out stuff. My theater skills has been like on the down low for the longest time ever, so I need to get it back. I need to restart it.
Exam. Okay.
3, 2, 1, students.
2, 1, bread. No.
1 burgers. 1 fast foods.
3, 2, 1, burger.
2, 1 mustard.
Just paraprendably.
I love writing. What about we slide down the Yeah, cross is better. Cross is better. Yeah.
Okay, so we just finished the practice with WILDe, and it was really amazing. I had a lot of like mistakes and like bumps in the beginning. It's been a while since I did theater. I know I was like very confident in the beginning. I was like, it's fine, I've done theater for like the longest time ever. I know how to do it. I couldn't. It was really hard to get back into it. So how hard can it be? I honestly would say this is like a solid 8.5 because I really need to get back and like do more practice. But if you're interested in doing all different theater performances, join WILDe, and yeah, well, see you soon.